Hello students of class 7. Today I am going to explain the chapter hydrosphere. So by the term hydrosphere you can understand this chapter is about the solely about the water part of the earth. Okay, we all know that the earth is made up of 70% land and 30% of the 70% of the water body and 30% of the land body. So this chapter deals solely with this water part of the earth. Okay, it includes every water body that are present on the earth's surface, like the oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, so oceans are actually the large water body of the earth. We basically have five major oceans. Number one is the Pacific Ocean. It is by far the largest ocean amongst all this. Then we have second is the Atlantic Ocean. Next, the Indian Ocean. Next is the Arctic Ocean, and number 5 is the Antarctic Ocean. So these 5 are the major or the most important. In fact, these 5 are the important oceans that are present on the Earth's surface. The next portions are the ocean currents. The ocean currents are very similar like to winds. It means ocean currents are actually the regular movements of the water from one part of the ocean to another part. These ocean currents can both be temporary or long lasting. And can be found near the surface of the ocean water or deep in the ocean. These ocean currents are actually responsible for the global climatic patterns that are present on the earth by moving the heat around the world. So this is one of the most important thing, this ocean currents in formations of the climatic occurrence or in the climatic phenomena that is present on the earth's surface. The ocean currents are of two types. One is the warm ocean current and another is the cold ocean current. So I will discuss first the warm ocean current. So this warm ocean currents So this warm ocean currents generally originate in the tropical region. Why tropical region? Because over there, or the tropical region gets the maximum, means the maximum time they gets the vertical rays of the sun. That's why the warm that's why the climate, or the climatic nature of this region is warm, and from there the warm ocean currents originate, and then they flow towards the polar regions. Because they are warm, that is why they are lighter in nature, and they flow mainly along the surface of the ocean. Next is the cold ocean current. This cold ocean currents generate mainly in the polar region. Why polar region? Because over, it's very simple. In the polar region, the region gets less vertical rays of the sun. As a result of that, the temperature over there is low. That's why it is colder or cooler in nature, and the cold ocean currents originate from this polar regions. And they flow from the polar region to the tropical region. Because this ocean currents is cold in nature, that is why they are heavy. And because it is heavier in nature, it mainly flow along the lower level of the oceans as an undercurrent. Okay, so this is all about the introduction portion of the ocean current. I'm going to continue with the next portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.